A race in the storm. Oh, at last the Earth can breathe a sigh of relief. The shopalots will never be able to invade it like they wanted.
I have all the faith we'd never let that happen.
I wonder how the game will go tomorrow. Oh. I am too excited to sleep now. We should take these robots to the research center. And we should take the shopalot to the virus garden. It can play with its friends. I think they'd all appreciate that. Also, so it can't go to other planets and ruin everything there. You get me?
Oops! Oh no! Minnie!
Whoa, what happened?
The shopalot, look! It escaped!
No way! What's going on? Oh, my word.
Neşe, good morning. Are you ready for today's game?
Totally. Of course I am.
Shh, Yumak, over here.
My hair. Ah!
My sister is overexcited, Dad.
That's just normal, believe me. She's been training for this tournament for so long, she'll be just fine.
Today is what matters. Nothing should distract her.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll be a good boy, a very good boy.
You, Mock? Now that's a good boy.
With all the joy and love we have the moral responsibility to support her.
I think we should take the medallion now. She spends too much time with that thing.
You're right, Mutlu.
Good morning.
Good morning, love.
Good morning, sweetheart. Would you like some orange juice or milk, dear?
I'll grab it, Daddy. Thank you for asking.
You look very tired, Neşe.
I was too excited to sleep last night, Mom.
I wish you had come to us, honey. We could have read a book together. You could have slept well.
Listen, sis. You must pull yourself together. Today you play your first game in the tournament. Did you forget?
Would I ever forget it, Mutlu? I should have my breakfast at once. Huh? It's my medallion's alarm system. It must be Minnie and Manny.
Honey, I think you should put your medallion away for today. Just focus on your game. I believe Minnie and Manny would understand.
Yeah, you're right, Mom. But I want to keep the medallion. Sound good?
Okay, dear. Now have a nice breakfast. Load up for strength.
Hey, Neşe, slow down. You're gonna choke.
I think you're right, Mutlu. What is it, you mock? Is something wrong? Okay, I will put on the medallion and hear you out.
No way, Neşe. Today you have a game. You shouldn't distract yourself from it.
You have a point, Zuzu.
Yumak, we had a deal, didn't we? No games with Neşe today.
Those ants down there look anxious too. What is wrong with all these animals?
Oh, never mind them. We should go to school. Come on, let's go.
You know he's right, Neşe.
No, it's nowhere to be found.
Maybe it escaped somewhere along our journey.
Oh, maybe. But do you think it went?
You know the only options. Either it went to the Shopalot planet or...
Oh,
the Earth!
We should call Neşe right away.
I already tried calling her, but she didn't answer.
That's because she has a game. That's right. Oh, she must be very excited.
I hope that little Shopalot won't find Neşe and ruin her game again.
I'm totally going, Neşe. I'm going to sit in the crowd and watch you.
All right, Zuzu. Thanks for everything.
Don't mention it, Neşe. We're friends, and I will always be there for you. Have a great game. See you after.
The first match of our tournament begins now.
There are so many birds circling in the sky above me. That is not normal by any stretch of the imagination. Well, I can't help it. I will listen to the birds.
Gulchin has taken her position. We are waiting for Neşe now.
Where on earth is my sister?
Here she comes.
There's my favorite daughter.
We have to cancel the game.
Oh, is that so?
There's a very big storm coming.
So then, one of the players on the court, Neşe, wants the game to be canceled.
Why is my sister acting like that?
I am telling the truth. The birds, the ants, all the animals have fled. Because this storm's gonna be very strong.
To be honest, I think you're just afraid of playing against me.
I'm not scared of you.
If that's the case, then take your racket and start the game.
You know what? That's fine. I can use my racket in a terrible storm.
Well, guys, looks like Neşe has changed her mind. So let's start the first match of this great tournament.
Huh?
Hop,
Huh?
First point for Neşe.
Oh, my racket!
Uh-oh, looks like the weather conditions have changed. A big storm is coming your way. The game is canceled. Please leave the area in an orderly fashion.
Help us!
Now run! Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. I got it! I stopped that! I haven't seen such a strong storm like this before. Ah, my hair! Shopalot! And there are two of them! Let me go! Minnie! Help me, please!
Neşe, we've been trying to reach you the entire day.
What is going on there? There are two Shopalots right here!
Oh, that's our tree shopalot. I knew that it went to Earth.
And it took its friend, the air Shopalot. Hear me, Neşe. The air Shopalot is very dangerous. When it finds air, it uses it to create incredibly big storms. Tell me about it. So how am I supposed to stop it?
You have to capture it and lock it in an airless contraption. Also, catch the tree shopalot, then put it inside the pink robot that we'll send you, and then you get it back to us.
I hope I can do this. Come here, you.
Hey, sis! What's going on?
Mutlu, I need you to get me 2 bowls this instant.
Okay, Neşe.
You can't escape.
I'm back, sister.
You've got to cover them now.
Yeah! I did it, Neşe! I caught them!
Thank you so much, Mutlu. I will send these naughty Shopalots to the pink planet right away.
closed my arms with all my strength, and I caught both of those shopalots. I didn't let them escape all by myself. I saved the entire city from the biggest storm ever. Ha ha ha!
That's my superhero son.
I'll get that. 1 second.
Sorry to bother you, Neşe.
Hello.
Well, I'm just here to tell you that our game has been postponed until the weekend.
Ah, has it really?
And today, you were totally right about the storm. I didn't see the weather forecast. I'm very sorry for treating you so unfairly.
Thank you for saying so. It's already forgotten.
I really appreciate that. See you at the game next week.
Yeah, see you.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with